Hey, it's Brian and Sean of 2A Guys in Gear. We're out here at Daytona, Florida at the Big 3 East Media event, and we're with MKS Supply. Dave, nice to see you.
Nice to see you guys again.
So we've talked to you guys several times about your firearms, but you have this awesome new firearm that Inland is producing, and it's basically an M1 Carbine pistol.
Correct.
So tell us about it.
Yeah, this is our new M30P. We're doing a whole series of the M30 line. So we'll have a carbine, this pistol, and an even shorter pistol. But
okay.
The M30P in particular, we're running a Sage chassis in it, and like I said, it's an M1 Carbine action still with a Gearhead Works Mod 2 arm brace, ergo grip. So we all know we can shoulder these things again. It's all legal and loud. But 30 carbine and a really, really short package, half 28 threaded barrel with the Sage chassis system.
Okay.
You can still attach your rails for your lights and lasers. Obviously run an aim point here on top of it.
Yep.
But real compact M1 Carbine package. It's a lot of fun.
And what are we looking at for price?
MSRP in this, we're looking at about $13.99.
Okay. So this is, you guys are MKS, so you're representing Inland on this.
Correct.
So is this available on their website, or how do we find it?
And you'll find it on Inland's website, which is inlandmfg.com.
Okay. So I like this. We had this going out a little bit earlier, and we were shooting it, and it's 30 carbine. It's a lot of power in a small package. Pretty loud, a little bit of concussion, but it's a fun gun to shoot. So we probably shot several hundred rounds out of it. Thanks for bringing the ammo.
Absolutely.
So yeah, it was a great little gun. So when is it available?
It's going to be available this year. They're in production now, so you should probably see them within a few months.
Okay, cool. Good deal. So yeah, check them out. We'll put a link to their website down below, and you guys can check us out too at 2aguysingear.com, and then also on Instagram at 2aguysingear. Dave, appreciate it.
Absolutely. Thank you, guys.
Good seeing you again. We're going to hit the range here soon.
All right.
Thanks.